Hey guys, it's Livy. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to do a look because it's prom and semi and social season. I thought I'd do a look that you can wear to your prom or semi, and I purposely made it so it would go good with like any colored dress. So let's get into it.
So obviously first you're going to start by priming your eye, and then you're going to go into a light brown color with a thin brush and just do your crease and blend it up a little bit. And then when you're done with that, you're going to go into a darker brown with a blending brush and blend the light brown out. And then when you're done with that, you're going to go into a little bit of black and just do your crease. Do not blend it out. We'll blend it out a little bit at the edge, but no more. Just like how I'm doing. Then when you're done with that, you're going to go back into the blending brush you used for the brown and blend the black out with the rest of it. Now you're going to cut the crease at this point. If you don't remember how to do it, just watch how I do it or go back to my first video where I explain how to do it. And when you're done with that, you're going to go into this shimmery nude color and just pack that onto the crease that you cut. Then you're going to go back into that dark brown and just blend out the crease so it all flows together. Now you're going to take a pencil liner and you're just going to do your lash line very thin. And then you're going to go ahead and do your waterline. For lips, you're just going to do whatever color matches your dress. Oh yeah, I forgot to insert the video where I did my lashes. I forgot to film that. But anyway, here's my dress. It's a nice dark green, so I'm doing a darker, browner color for my lips, nothing too bold. And there you go.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and found this look really easy. I hope you guys have a really fun time at your prom or semi or whatever you're going to. And leave a comment of what you want to see for next week. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much. See you next week.
You just want attention.